Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Almost like 3 to 4 days again I have come up with a food vlog. Today I have dropped down to the Fox and the Grapes restaurant which is in Vasant Nagar. This is towards Mount Carmel College, and one speciality of this restaurant is it's Aqua Dine In experience. First time in Bangalore, and I don't know what kinds of cuisine they are gonna be serving. But once I got this request itself, I thought let me vlog because it's quite interesting content. So let's go inside and check out. So in Bangalore already summer is being started. It's really very hot. One of the unique restaurant that their thoughts are quite different. In bamboo they have cut in between and they have put light, and they have decorated with flowers. For wood they have put a rope, put a bulb for dining area, and they have decorated, and cactus plant. There are some plants when you are entering, and with the help of tire, inside the tire they have put a bulb. Outside it's a glass, so that is really a fantastic thing. This is actually a house, but with their thoughts, I'm really very impressed, because in house parking they have made it like a dining area. In a house hall, they have made this aqua dining experience in a room again, where a family can sit and have a good food. Just look at this. This is a room. They have put a dining table and they have made it for a family. So here is Kirti and Kartik. So both are like K square of Fox and Grapes. Yes, Kirti. So this is a very old building. I know from school time itself I've seen this road. So how did you manage to clean it? And next coming to the painting part. Next coming to the interiors. So yes, tell me.
So it was a lot of effort for us. All there was a passion to start off for the restaurant, and we took a lot of time to set this place up, and more nothing as a commercial place. This is absolutely like a home environment where you can have good time, and we've given a lot of interior touches where without any professional help we could make it out. We could do it only by ourselves, and give it a little more of nature touch is what we expected right from the beginning of work. So that's how we got this thing started.
Okay. So next coming to the interiors. Whatever the used things has to be thrown. With the help of that you have recycled and you have made a very unique things. For example, tire, inside that bulb, and outside you have covered up with a glass. How did you get such a unique thought?
So most of it was the lighting. We wanted to see where we could get the lightings from. So we just used those ropes and bamboos, what could go coordination with the bamboos.
Right.
And we wanted to get the wood look from the wood and the forest look from the nature. So that's when we went for all recycling items.
Okay.
So at night, after sunset, this place is just lit up with all kind of...
Right. It looks like a pub.
Yes, exactly.
Right. Something. So next coming to this bedroom. In bedroom you have put a dining table for a family, and I heard from one of your employee that it's for a family.
True. Family is kind of a conference
room. Okay. And you people do have consultancies, right?
Yes.
Sounds good, man. So you people have any meetings here with clients?
Yes. We have a couple of companies who came here to have their conference lunch.
Okay.
to have, because most of them have a work from home right now.
Right.
So they decide to meet up in a place where they can get some good food. And we mentioned that as a conference room. So, you know, even office discussions can happen there.
Instead of sitting at home and working like idle, so they can come and have a piece work and here.
Okay. So you
that's
people
all.
do provide internet for the customers?
Yes, we
Yeah, we do have a Wi-Fi, so
Okay.
so we
Sounds
can do
good.
that.
Sounds good. So, and from how many years this restaurant is there?
It's just 20 days old.
Brand
It's
new.
been newly opened.
Brand new.
Exactly.
And in that you got such a unique idea of this aqua
Right.
dining experience.
Yes.
So yes, this idea was from?
This is nothing but we just wanted to have a unique restaurant where we can't compare to another restaurant because it's kind of a home setup, right?
Right.
So why won't customers only need to come to our restaurant? It should be something different to the customers.
Right. In this area though, we can't speak about rent.
Right.
Okay, whatever we are going to be earning, we need to pay the rent. That's it.
Yeah.
Correct.
So yes, house.
And most of the restaurants and the spas that we go, we see aquariums, life-size aquariums, but never ever have we can touch it or get the feel out of it. So having fishes run through your legs is an experience.
Something like a fish spa.
Exactly.
Okay.
But most of the fishes are aquarium fishes.
Okay. 3 to 5 happy hours. Exciting deal. So whoever wants to drop down, you people can drop down. And one more this thing. And there is 10% discount, right?
Yes.
10% discount on Mount Carmel students. Only for
No.
Mount Carmel. Okay. It's not for guys.
Only if they can. The students
Okay,
can
it's
do
for
ID
all
card.
the college guys? All the college guys. Okay, not just for Mount Carmel. Finally, entering this aqua dining. So I've opened my shoes, I've cleaned my legs. There are some terms and conditions of this restaurant that you have to clean down your legs. Oh my god, it's so cold. Yes, for summer it is fine. For winter, definitely it's not fine. The stones are just poking my legs. It's something like an acupuncture. And the fishes are roaming. It's something like a fish spa. So the entire feel is like quite different. But yes, in summer season, this is gonna be an amazing restaurant with hot chicken. Downside it is gonna be completely cold. Entire different feel. So I've got one chicken platter. So in this I have received 4 kinds of chicken. This is boneless chicken fry. So first dish of the fox and the grape. So it's made up of fillet. On top of that, they have put different types of masala, and I have got one cup of mayonnaise. First, I wish to try this with mayonnaise. The chicken is damn soft. They have used peri peri. Slightly, I can feel spiciness as well as chaat masala flavor. And the crispiness is really very good. Slightly sweetness is there. It's giving a very good taste. The fillet is not so thick. Just look at this. The fillet is in center. One slice, a small slice, I can call it as. But taste wise, it is just amazing. And corn flour, whatever they have coated, and the breadcrumbs, even that, it's not more nor less. It is medium. But corn flour and breadcrumbs sweetness is really fantastic with chicken. And with mayonnaise, it's a very good combination. I don't want to dip more, because if you dip more, mayonnaise flavor will be more and chicken flavor comes down. So this is chicken popcorn. Popcorn size is a bit big, but just look at this. The chopped chilies is being completely stick to the popcorn, and when I'm touching the meat, I can see a slight paprika which has been stick to my fingers. The chicken is just so soft and juicy. The juiciness is there in this chicken. If you press itself, you can see the juiciness. Wow. Onions, flavor, and the chili, chopped chili. The spiciness is like entirely different. The coriander leaves and the shredded chicken, they have put slightly corn flour to get the complete chicken sticked like a ball. They have properly made it, and they have named it as chicken popcorn. Coming to peri peri strips, let me tear this. The breadcrumbs crispiness is there when you are tearing the meat. So, the peri peri flavor is really very dominating in this. as they have named, the taste is also same. I'm a very big fan of this platter. If I have like 2 to 3 platters also, I can finish it very easily. Fantastic. Just look at this peri peri flavor. It has got completely stick. The spiciness and the sweetness of the breadcrumbs. Amazing, guys. When they have marinated the chicken slightly with the curd, the tanginess is there. Breast, usually it's a fiber meat. So if you tear, it will be very hard. When you marinate the meat in curd, it goes very soft. So you have to marinate the meat for a quite long period of time. So that gives a very good kick. Chicken wings at last. Even for this they have used peri peri. Almost same masala. No changes in masala. But wings are wings. The skin taste. Wow. Amazing feel. And the softness of the meat. Next level. Here are chicken dumplings and as well as chicken momos. Chicken dumplings is a different, package of food in this restaurant, as well as chicken momos are different. But for me, they have given all in one platter itself. So chicken dumplings are made up of cabbage. Inside cabbage, they are gonna be keeping chicken and they are gonna be putting in the steam. Then the chicken dumplings are gonna be getting prepared. Chicken momos, of course, again it go back to steam, but with the help of maida. This chicken cabbage dumplings are something Assami traditional food. So let's try this with this spicy chutney. Oh, cabbage taste and this chicken spiciness is quite different, and this chutney is giving a very good kick. Amazing dish, and especially who is doing this keto diet and all, no, they can have this. It is so damn juicy. Just look at this. The steam water is coming out. But taste wise, fantastic, guys. They have put chopped onions inside this cabbage chicken dumplings. It is giving a very good taste. I wish to try this cabbage dumpling just like that, not with the sauce. The sauce is really very spicy. It has cooked out really well. The cabbage as well as chicken. This is something tasting like a pan inside chicken, but fantastic, guys. The taste wise is really good. There is no doubt about it. Frankly speaking, must and should dish which you have to try here. And sauce. Don't think that this is not so spicy. When you are eating, add bit of sauce in this. It gives a very good spicy kick. Once this enters the mouth, the burst of this chicken dumpling momos, it is really very spicy. So here is normal momos, proper fish spa feeling over here. The fishes keep touching your toes. The momos outer skin, it is really very thin, giving a very good taste. The dominating taste is chicken. The chicken is really very spicy. Slightly they have used paprika in this chicken and even pepper. So the pepper taste is also dominating when you are having a bite of chicken momos. After steaming this momos, the juiciness of the steam flavor is completely added inside this chicken. The chicken start absorbing that water of that steam, and even this outer skin, which is made up of maida, even that starts absorbing water. The slight saltiness is there. The saltiness taste is amazing when it goes with spicy feel. Coming to chicken steak with mushroom sauce. The steak is really very good. Whatever the barbecue sauce and rest of the spices they have added for this, it's really tasting fantastic. The mushroom creaminess is just amazing. Just look at the thickness of the cream. This really goes good with chicken steak. Let me slightly dip it. And it's proper keto diet for bodybuilders. Veggies, carbs, mashed potatoes, chicken, protein, and as well as bit of fat. mushroom cream. For a bodybuilder, he's gonna be getting all his nutrition in this one plate. Veggies gives a very good fiber. Beans, protein, one of the best dish. Personally recommended for a guy who is following a diet is this one. Before workout, this is gonna be like a pre-workout meal, but bit high. If you are having it before 1 hour, that makes lots of sense. Coming to the mashed potatoes. Slightly salt is being used. Aste. Slightly the salt is being used. Leaving that, nothing else. Taste wise, fantastic guys. Very good combination for chicken is potatoes. Having just protein food, it doesn't make any sense. You need to have carbs, then only the proteins get absorbed to the body. If you're just eating protein food, the protein won't be getting absorbed well. Usually pizza comes in round shape, but here it has come out in square shape. With that also they have made it 4 pieces, 1, 2, so 1, 2, 1, 2. So small squares has been there. So with that I have got, paprikas and chili flakes and oregano. Whoa, just look at this cheese. They have used mozzarella cheese. I need to tear the cheese. One best part of this restaurant is the idealistic things, whatever they have put out. That is not just with the things, with the food also they have come up with a very beautiful thoughts. Square pizza sounds really great, man. Like in today's day, one person whatever he does, another person he just wants to copy that itself. But these guys are completely very unique, using their own mindset. Square pizza. Guys, I can see some paprikas and lot of cheese on this base and lot of chicken, and on top you can just see these holes. They have poked this base and they have cooked it properly, so inside also it needs to get cooked, right? So they have poked with fork. Have a first bite. Oh. Really very hot. And the barbecue pizza taste is really very good. The chicken flavor is like fantastic. What spices they have used, not able to identify. After many days, I'm eating such a mozzarella cheese, high quality cheese. But it's just fantastic. And the sauce, whatever they have used for the base, that is like giving a very good spiciness taste, very good flavors. Once this pizza enters, the juiciness of the meat, it's just bursting, and the spiciness is also fantastic inside the mouth. The pizza base is not so thick. It will cook, but still they have made some holes and they have made it cook, and the pizza is not so hard. Guys, I think for base they have used this Momo's sauce itself, but it's really very spicy. I wish to try a bit of ketchup, because usually pizzas won't be spicy, but here the pizza is spicy, and the best part, it is like a proper desi pizza. Desi pizza with tomato ketchup. This is not actually desi pizza. They have their own name for this pizza, that's barbecue pizza, but I have kept it as desi pizza. Now you can manage, because the tomato ketchup is slightly sweet. Fine, chalta hai. The down base is spicy. On top of that tomato ketchup sweetness, it's really good. The last and the final drink is strawberry milkshake. For summer, no, the strawberry milkshake is like giving a very good chillness for body after eating bit of spicy food. And downside is also like damn cold. The fishes are roaming here and there for your toes. When the fishes touches, no, you feel bit scared, but chalta hai. I have gone with this fish spa and all, but the person who is sitting in front of me, she has not gone for any fish spa, so she's really very scared. She is out of this aqua dining place. The milk is really very thick. They have used cream for this, 110% sure, because you can just see here the cream has got completely stick to the glass, and sugar is not more. The flavor, whatever they have added, it is giving a very good taste. I mean, artificial flavor. Yes, taste wise, fantastic. No doubt about it. They have used lot of milk, so that artificial flavor is also not so much. I'm fighting with fishes. I want fish to come near my feet, but it's not coming. Guys, the food was good, and the place ambience though, I really loved it to the core. Very unique place. The people, whoever are in and around Vasant Nagar, you people need to visit this restaurant. It is really fantastic, especially for their idealistic thoughts. Coming to the food, the chicken platter was really fantastic. There was no such bad review that I can give you. It was really very good, the chicken platter. And next, coming to this doubling chicken, even that was like good. Chicken doublings, not doubling chicken, chicken doublings, even that was fantastic. Momos chalta hai. And pizza definitely you people need to try here. Entirely different taste, no doubt. That pizza, the shape is also different, the taste is also really very different. Usually pizzas you don't find spicy taste, but here it's I kept it personally that name. Then don't come down here and ask for a desi pizza. It's not desi pizza, it's barbecue pizza. It's really good, very spicy, and chicken is being completely filled. Mozzarella cheese completely stick to the base, even to the chicken, giving an amazing taste. Coming to chicken steak at last, that was a dish which has rich nutrients like protein, carbs as well as fiber. These three are really very required for a bodybuilder. Not only for a bodybuilder, for human being. A person who is foodie, then definitely this chicken steak is not recommended because it comes under keto diet. Anyhow guys, the price and the location will be mentioned in the description part, as all videos I keep saying that itself. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. If you people who didn't have subscribed till now, please do subscribe and hit a bell icon so that once I upload a video, people will get notification. You can watch. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.